Hello from Slovenia again. Today I have a plan again. I will do a flower dip with this 8 by 10 inch canvas, but I will try to kind of draw a rose bud, and I will use some blues and white for a background. I still didn't do because I expect that I will get some nice skin out of this too. I did one video about skins, live video, but I will do another one, I promise. So, as I said, I don't know how to draw. I'm not total, I don't know. I have some feeling, but not enough that I would say that I can draw. So I will just improvise. Okay. And I will use Prussian phthalo blue by Amsterdam and ultramarine blue by Maimeri and cyan blue from Amsterdam and my pearl white. And I will start with pearl white, even that I have a white background. And I will try to draw kind of an S here, like that, and one like that, okay. Oop. I will have to do like that. Okay, and now I will go with Prussian phthalo, like that, and like that. The ultramarine. And with cyan. Just thinking about little green here. I will just do like that with pearl white, and I have a little of this Prussian green from Arteza here in this cup. Please. Just a little more, okay, and some olive green light by Amsterdam. What do you think? What will happen? Maybe it's not a good idea that I don't have a square canvas because I will dip straight up, but if you don't try, you don't know, as I say a lot of times. Okay. Let's dip this. I don't want to press too hard, you know, just that I think that all the paint touches the canvas. So, the moment of truth. Definitely not a rosebud. And neither is here. So what I will do, I will dip it once more, but in the opposite way, that my leaves are here. So let's I think that it looks much better. I will just put it here on the side. Okay, this one is definitely not something that I like, but because I will use that for skin, so I will just fiddle a little bit. Okay, let's torch this. I like the effects, but I thought that I will manage to keep this rose shape, but I didn't, obviously. But nothing wrong with this, don't get me wrong. If I look from the distance, I kind of see one beautiful flower here. It's all flower, but so I don't know. Didn't make any difference, even though that I put an effort to draw kind of a bud of a rose, but it's nice anyway. So let me take you down for a close-up. So here is a close-up. This is canvas. a lot of gorgeous details. Try to show you amazing glazing with this pearl white first on the white, you know. And this is what will be the skin. I love this one. I love these effects with pearl white on white and then color on top. See? So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.